Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the new channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Dogecoin. Doge pumping 40%, 45%, 50, 100, 200, 1000%. I don't know how high this is gonna go, but it's going, and we called it. You guys don't know we called it. We actually called it. So we're gonna talk about that. Before we start, this channel is about altcoins. We got like 6 altcoins doing on the channel, YouTube channel, every single day. So if the Dogecoin is maybe not your coin, maybe you got something else, maybe you're gonna check YouTube channel and see, like we do Cardano and Tron and right now XRP and all kinds of stuff, you know. And if that's not enough altcoins for you, we got a Patreon page where we do right now. There is a 47 altcoins every single day. We rank them up: good, not good, good, no thanks, all the shebang, pumping, not pumping. 40 altcoins, 50 altcoins every single day. So if that's something for you, check out the Patreon page. That said, we also got Telegram group if you want to join the community, talk about all of these things. And that's how I called the Dogecoin a couple of days ago, when the Doge was a 0.6, 0.7, something like that. And we had live stream for the Telegram group, right? And I was at the end of the Telegram, I was telling people like, guys, I want you to do me a favor, watch Dogecoin. I think it's about time for it to pump. I think it's about time for it. Called it very nicely. That's I'm not saying it, you know, but we did it on the Telegram group. Anyways, Telegram group is around 1,000 people. Also, we are getting to the 10,000 mark on the sub, so please sub for me. That's let's enough chit chat, and let's get into the charts and see what's actually happening with Dogecoin. It's just blowing through the roof. It's blowing through the roof. So what I'm gonna explain to you here, it's what's actually happening, and the stuff I've been actually explaining to my Patreon Telegram group as well. How it's climbing the steps and where the binds are most profitable. So Doge has been pumping like crazy. So I think we're gonna start looking at this on the 4-hourly chart, and I'm gonna explain you what's actually been happening. So basically, this pump over here, people thought that's the real pump, man. Let's go. Nope, not yet. So basically, we had this. This is a little fat big line, so we don't want a line, we want a thin line. So it was something like this, right? And you can see it was some kind of triangle going on here, right, on Doge. And when it broke out here, everybody was like, it's going up, it's the time. And it was not the time. It went right back down again to the support and slowly start climbing. So I think we called Doge, this was, what was it? That's 7.6 prior here or something like that. I don't quite remember. Doesn't really matter. But it started slowly climbing up. So when this happened, when it broke out, what happened? It created a second triangle that went something like this. And this second triangle broke up here. It went for some kind of retest, and after that it just exploded, as you know what. So right now we're gonna look at where it's going, and you can see here that it's following all the moving averages in uptrend. Also, the price of the Doge, the Doge is actually following very nicely. Right now it's sitting at 93 on the 4-hourly chart. Sorry, we want to look at this on the daily. The rubber band index is important, you know, because it gets you know, like how high it can go, you know. So this rubber band index is previously top over here. It hit 94. Right now we are sitting at 86. So technically, like how long you can stretch the price, technically we got more room to go and more room to grow. So 86, 87, not a problem. Also on the weekly, the rubber band index is saying us 85, which is very low. You can see here it's all the way up at 98. So we got room to stretch the index, right? So all in all, Dogecoin looks very nice. This is already confirmed. The confirmation came up here. So we wanted on the daily a confirmation for the Doge to break this level up here. Let's put this more precise with the line. You can see here it went all the way. The first time it went all the way, hit the line. It did not break it. Went back, retested this some kind of triangle up here, and then it broke it. Once it broke it up here, it was kind of good to go, and it's now going higher. So question comes now, like, hey man, how not financial advice and stuff like that. I just want to say you how the previous pumps of Doge have been playing out, and what you should be looking at. So you can see here the previous price. This is 1-2 days. Entire pump. How big was this pump? Entire pump just lasted 2 days. If I can press this, it went 1000%. Entire pump 2 days time. This also 2 days. Entire pump. So I don't expect this to last forever. Maybe a couple of days, maybe this is the second day, maybe this is over, I don't know, but it is pumping very hard. And the reason it's pumping, when it's pumping very hard, what we're gonna look at small time frames and some certain moving averages and how this has been pumping. So let me show you how it's been pumping previously. So we gotta go to the 4-hourly chart and we gotta look at we're gonna look at all moving averages so I can show you. So right now you can see it's pumping over here. But previous move, you can see here, this is the 10 moving average, 20 moving average, 50, 100, 200 moving average. And you can see once it started pumping, it was holding the 10 moving average on up. So it went sideways, hit the 10 moving average, bounce up, hit the 10 moving average, bounce up, hit the kind of 10 moving average and totally exploded up here above the moving average and then finished the move. The same thing goes for here, down here. It was climbing the 10 moving average, kind of hit it here, went all the way up, got back to the 10 moving, found the support on it, climbed up on it and exploded again. And it was still keeping the 10 moving average. Only here it actually broke it on the downside, but it tried to get a little bit higher than previous and then continue. But most of the time it does keep the 10 moving average. So when I was doing the daily altcoins video on our Patreon page and talking in the Telegram and telling people about it, I said if this is supposed to go do the same thing that it's done previously, the best buying should be on the 10 moving average. So basically the best buying should be around here, this place up here where it actually gets to this 10 moving average. But the thing is here it kind of never gets down there, you know, because there's so much volume right now going on. And I just checked a little bit earlier, it was on the Binance, the volume was third highest. The first was Bitcoin with 5 billion, then XRP with 4 billion, and then came the Doge with I think between 2.7 2.8 billion trade volume, 24-hour trading volume, which is really a lot. And you can see here that's why it just cannot get to the 10 moving average, because the price just escapes and goes higher and higher, right? People are pushing the price up. But these were the best times to buy. These 10 moving averages were the best times to buy. You can see down here, up here, maybe even here. But technically, the best time to buy, something like this, or maybe it's always, but you never know when is this gonna top out and how it's gonna top out. It's gonna top out like this, where you go up like 10,000% and then have correction of 72%. This is a 72% correction. So be sure that when you buy that it doesn't just go down 72%. Where's 72%? That's okay. You cannot figure it out. It's further than this. So right now it maybe go like 30% or something like that, but once it starts pumping, it's gonna go crazy. It's already going crazy. Like it's performing better than anything right now. 43% up, and it's going nice. And now I'm gonna show you something. Do you know who Ivan on Tech is? Do you know who Ivan on Tech? Well, I had this clip of him talking about Dogecoin that I want to end this video with. But before I show you the clip, it's a very nice clip. I think you're gonna like it. You're gonna very much like it. And when you like the clip, also like the video down below. That said, check out the Patreon page. We do daily videos, like 50 coins every single day. We rank them up. So if you have trouble picking the coins, trouble doing technical analysis and stuff like that, check the Patreon page. It's probably the best thing you're gonna do for it. It's cheap as hell. Check the Patreon page, check the free Telegram channel down below in the comments, and watch this clip, man. This is like the best thing ever. Okay, I think you're gonna like it. See you around. Bye bye.
It's a Dogecoin. It's a meme coin. What kind of fundamentals are here? There are no fundamentals. It's a funny coin. Okay, it will pump. In a bull market, this dog pumps. It pumps. Okay, I don't want to be right, even though I know that there is no fundamental here. I don't want to be right. I want to make gains. So I have Doge.